right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets.
Hey YouTube fam! It's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, is another crochet hair install video. In today's crochet hair, as you also saw from the title, is from the Boho Locks company, and it is their Majesty twist hair. Such a huge pack. I don't know if I've ever had a pack of hair so big, but I am coming on here with my hair already braided down to show you my install of this hair. Now, this is kind of an old braid pattern-ish. It is the same braid pattern from my Rasta-Free Lake Wave hair video. If you saw that install, same braid pattern. However, after 2 weeks, I only wore that hair for 2 weeks, and now I'm coming and installing it. It went through a lot. I think that San Francisco weather, that wind was beating my hair. It was beating my hair to the point where I had a lot going on. The hair wasn't looking too good at all, so I had to redo. I did a redo of a couple of the braids, not the whole head, because some of the braids were still okay, but some of them needed to be re-braided down. So I did that. I'm inserting a clip, as you saw, of me just doing a couple of them because I wanted to jump right in to my install of this hair. Now, I bought this hair with my own coinage. Boho Locks is a black-owned company, I believe, based out of the UK, but I still got the hair very quickly considering that they are a UK based company. I love the packaging of it. I bought one package of this twist hair, and I'll insert the price down below because it's not on the back. I'm looking at my shipping confirmation. They put it inside of the packaging, turning it around so you can see it right now, but it doesn't say the price. It's one of those one package is enough type deals. I'm hoping, as big as this package is, I'm hoping that this one package is enough. But I do have it in the 18 inches, and it is that 1B, I believe, with a 27 and a 613 at the bottom. So this is the hair. Without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling, and I'm going to go ahead and insert this hair on my braids. So just a closer look at the twist. It is that 1B to 27 to 613 color, and it does have the pre-looped loop right there. It is also 18 inches in length. They do also have a 30-inch length of this hair. Now, the install of this hair is pretty straightforward. All I'm doing is pushing the crochet needle through the braid, attaching the hair to the needle, pulling a little bit of the hair and the needle through the braid, taking the needle away from the situation, and then pulling the twist through the loop. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm looping it one time. That's all I do throughout the entirety of my head. It could not get any simpler of an install than this. And since there's not really much I can talk about through this install because I'm repeating the same steps about 100 times, I will kind of talk about this hair, these Boho Majesty twists. On the site, it says they do have a thinner density than their locks that they have, and a higher sheen for a silky salon finish passion twist kind of a look. So that's what you're going to get with this. There are 120 twists per pack. You'll see how much I end up using at the end of this video, but again, this is the install of the hair. Very quick, very simple, very beginner friendly. So this is how far one bundle of hair got me, and I say one bundle because you guys saw it is one pack of hair, but it is divided into 6 bundles, and I used one bundle so far, and now I'm gonna continue on.
JPB, it's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one, and it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know.
So this is it. This is the finished look. Let me do a turnaround so you guys can see. It is again 18 inches. So this is what 18 inches got me. Very long, very cute. So going into the install took me 45 minutes. Took me 45 minutes, if not less than. Right around 45 minutes, somewhere between 40 and 45. Quickest install ever. On the site, it says you can get it installed in less than 2 hours. That's for sure the case. Again, using an existing braid pattern, so didn't have to re-braid my hair really, other than the 3 braids that I really took out and redid. That was quick. On top of this hasn't even been an hour 15 ordeal. I love that, and I have some bomb twists. Now, I want to preface this. right now. I spent my own coins. They did not reach out to me to send me this hair. I am a crochet hair review channel, and I want to try what's on the market, but I understand that price tag is a little pricey. I looked it up as I was, getting together my ending points. I want to talk about the specs. I was like, did I pay $167 for this? This hair is $167. There is a 10% off coupon, I believe, that I did use. You get 10% off your first order, so you have to put your email address in, then wait for them to send that to you, and then you can put that in. So I guess it'd be like closer to $150 with that price point. It's pretty expensive. However, though, I'm out of the loop on a lot of things because I don't do knotless. I don't do like the passion twist. I've never gone to a professional and gotten any of these things done. So I don't know what the going rate for like going to a salon and getting passion twist, or going to a salon and getting knotless, or going to a salon and getting box braids, how long that process typically takes. One, I'm not familiar with, and two, how much of a price tag. For me, if I was going to a professional, again, I did everything myself, I wouldn't mind paying $150 for a look like this if I didn't have the ability to do it myself and I was going to get this finished look. I think it's a gorgeous enough look. So not being well versed on the knotless, passion twist, bomb twist, spring twist, professional payment scale, again, I'm not well versed in that. It's been at least 12 years since I've been to a professional to get my hair braided. My pulse isn't on the streets right now in that particular area, but I definitely say worth it for me. But again, I know for some people, they're like, honey, that's not for me. But it's summertime and I like this look. I've been seeing so many of my favorite creators doing like a summer break, whether they're wig creators or crochet hair creators, doing a summer break of just doing butt braids and braided styles and twists. And I'm like, I want to do that too. Like, this is summer. I feel like this is the style of the summer, and I am liking it so far. Like, it's giving me bohemian real chicness. It does say quantity wise, you get 120 twists per pack. So in that pack that I showed you, there were 120 twists. I'd say I used roughly 100 because this is all that is left of it. And they also send you like this little, I guess, package of jewels, because they also sell locks too. So I guess I could put jewels around twists as well. I'll say in terms of their points, natural texture and feel, I do like the feel of this. This is not super rigid. It's not super rough. Going back, I'm editing. I'm in the process. This shows you how far. No, I'm not in the process. I just uploaded. Shows you how far behind I'm on a lot of content. I just uploaded my darling hair video, and I'm just having flashbacks as I'm rewatching that right now, and I'm like, oh my god, that hair was so rough. It feels good to have something soft and something that like just feels good in my hands and my hair. I'm not a big fan of rigidness and not soft feeling, so I love that this is soft. In terms of the lightweight, I definitely say it is lightweight too. Like, it doesn't feel heavy on my head at all, and for me to have used, again, about 100 of the 120 they sent, again, it doesn't feel heavy at all, and I like that. Easy to apply yourself. I mean, it's the easiest. I mean, it's easier than that Femme Freak hair was, the Coral Refinery. Like, this is the probably easiest install that I've ever applied on my channel. Like, the quickest. Like, I'm looking down and I'm like, oh, well, I still got the whole day ahead of me. I got the whole day ahead of me. I was like, I'm cracking this open. This is a whole day install. And we're not even past noon. We're not even past noon at this point. So I'm like, oh, I have a full day that I can actually go about my day. I should have planned more videos to film because I just thought this was going to be so long. Again, this is a very quick and super install for somebody who's a beginner. I definitely say beginner friendly to the ultimate level. And I think the reason that makes it easier than the Femme Freak and those other twists here, they're the same family. They're a twist. This is just bigger, of course. So bigger means I'm not applying, 150 twists or 200. I'm applying only 100, and it's not going to take that much time. I love a quick install. So other things that this site claims about this hair, and again, being the reviewer that I am, I'm going to put this to the test, but it says, so authentic looking, everyone will think you got this done in a salon. I do think this is salon quality. I really will say, I'm even fooling myself. If I didn't do an install video, did I go professionally? Pre-loop for quick and easy install, I'd say that's true. Just one pack is enough for a full crochet head, yes. If I had to pay more, might not be that cost effective. There are 120 twists, each twist with its own unique wave and curl pattern for a beautiful result. I didn't see any huge variations between each of the twists that I was doing, but again, this is handmade, so there is room for that. Can be worn for up to 12 weeks. Woo! Somebody who's a stronger braider than I am could probably do that, but for me, my hair barely held up with the lake wave for 2 weeks, if you saw how it was looking. So don't know if my braid pattern itself could even withstand 12 weeks. Can be reused. I definitely plan on, when I take this hair out, taking it out in a fashion. Sometimes I don't care, but this hair, I don't know, it's so cute. I want to take it out in a fashion that I can reuse it. Swim and shower friendly, which again, I will see and I will test. And it says triple tone color designed specifically to complement and highlight, blend, and work well with melanin skin tones. So yes, I like this hair. But again, as per usual, this was just an install video. I'm thorough though. I'm not going to install an $167 hair without actually reviewing it. So there will be a review video, and you want to stay subscribed to my channel so you don't miss said review video. I'm very consistent on here. I try to be as thorough as I can be, and that review will be as thorough as I always am. So you want to have that notification bell on as well too, so you don't miss anything that I do over here. Make sure that you are following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 so you can keep up with my shenanigans in real time, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.